Hey everyone, this is Riya Kanji and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be special because I will create this easy makeup tutorial for this Eid. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. At first I'm going to take this primer. Today I'm using this Smashbox Photo Focus Primer. Primer does our makeup long lasting and also helps to easily glides on the face. Next I'm taking this Maybelline Superstay foundation and blending it well with the help of a beauty blender. Then I'm applying this Maybelline concealer and blending it well with the help of the same blender. After that, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder to set all the liquid and cream products that I applied before. Now as you can see that my face looks so flat, and that's why I'm applying this sugar mini contour with the help of an angular brush. Here I'm contouring my nose with the help of a small angular brush. Now coming to the eyes, here I did my brows in off camera, and for that look I'm using this Origin palette from Beauty Bay. I'm taking this shade with a fluffy brush and blending it well on my crease. Next, I'm taking this darker shade and blending it on the inner and outer corner of my eyelid. And then I'm taking this beautiful golden shimmery shade with a flat brush and applying it on the middle of my eyelid. For the lower eye, I'm going for these two shades again and blending it nicely. Here I'm taking this Maybelline gel eyeliner and create a line on my upper lash line and doing waterline as well. After that, to make sure everything blended well, here I'm blending my eyeshadow with the brush once again. With the same golden eyeshadow, I'm highlighting my inner corner, then I'm highlighting my brow bone with this shade. Finally, I'm curling my lashes and applying 2 coats of mascara. You also can add false lashes. Next, coming back to my face, I'm taking this Sugar Mini blush and applying it on over my cheeks. For lips, I'm using this Maybelline lipstick. this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below your thought. Also subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give me a thumbs up to stay updated with more info. Please follow me on my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. My social media links are listed in the description box below. Please check it. I love you a lot. Bye guys.